Hello, I'm Ari, and I'm a rising 8th grader at the Harker School. In my three-joint robotic arm, the modifications that I chose to do were making um, two, two functions that make the robot dance. So I'll show you right now. Here's the first dance. It's swinging side by side, and you can also stop it. And here's the second one. And you can pause this one as well. And after that, you can also still move the robotic arm just so I used two functions, one called dance 1 and one called dance 2. And the dance 1 moves side to side and in a swaying motion. And I used these buttons, individual buttons. First, I tried to use the joystick button, which is right here. But when I tried testing if the joystick button works, it did not. It always outputted low, even if I pressed it or not. So I just decided to use a regular button. I also coded the dance 1 and dance 2 by myself. And another problem that I faced was that when the claw was fully closed, none of the motors worked. And this is because when it's closing, it's trying to close more than it actually needs to close, and it's 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 in that loop again and again without and it can't escape that loop, preventing any of the other motors to work. So what I did instead is that I created a cutoff of which degrees it can go past. So I stopped it at 175, so it closes but doesn't close like too far. So if I had more time, another modification I wanted to do is I could create another button, and what that button would do, it would enable a feature where it would watch somebody like standing far away, and it would like face toward that person. So if the person moved left or right, this would also move in that direction. I thought that would be cool. And um, in the dance 2, this motor moves a little bit slow, so I think I should have fixed it before I implemented the whole thing. So that's also one thing that I would do. But yeah, so that's my three joint robotic arm and all my modifications.